Welcome to aminacademy.com. In trigonometry, let us do some example problem regarding inverse functions. Example, find with reasons which of the following are not defined. First one, sine inverse 1.5 over 1.4 is defined as sine inverse x and defined when the condition -1 is lesser or equal to x lesser or equal to 1. The domain is this, and here 1.5 equal over 1.4 is 15 over 14, which lies in which not lies. Suppose here instead of 1.4 we'll change as 1.8. Here this 1.8 is 18, which lies in the domain, which lies in this interval, means between -1 to 1. So the function is defined. Next one, cos inverse -3/2 is not defined, since cos inverse x is defined only when -1 lesser equal to x lesser equal 1, means -3/2 is not in the limit of -1 and 1, so it is not defined. Next, tan inverse 1 is defined, since tan inverse x is defined for all real numbers. So it is defined. Next, cot inverse 8 is defined, since cot inverse x is defined for all real numbers. So it is defined. Next, secant inverse 5/8 is not defined, since secant inverse x is defined for only when modulus x must be greater than 1, and here 5/8 is not greater. Here 5/8 is lesser than 1, so it is not defined. Next one, cosecant inverse √3/2 is not defined since cosecant inverse x is defined only when modulus of x is greater or equal to 1. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.